space, a virtual escape. Guess you could say I'm tired of this phase. I need help from drowning in myself. My heart, my mind, and my body.
Today we are filming what I eat in a day. We have a list of places that we want to go to. Today's Sunday, March 12th. The weather is really nice out here, so we're gonna film some videos, just have like a nice chill day because the weather is not too bad. I'm gonna be tasting a lot of different foods today. I'm so excited because when it comes to food I get excited. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Hey, I'm very excited. It's what I eat in a day. We have a list of really good restaurants that we're gonna in New York City. So we're gonna be trying some fun food. I believe the first restaurant we're gonna be going to is Street Cuts and Slices. They have some amazing pizza. Link is going to be in the bio down so you guys can check out their website. If you currently reside in New York City, in New York, you should make sure you check their store out. The best pizzas in New York City right now: oxtail pizza, seafood pizza, jerk chicken pizza, slices. They have a lot of variety of pizzas that you guys can try. So check out the website and make sure you check out the store and go taste some. Okay, so guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more content of us trying some delicious food, more vlog videos. Very soon we're gonna be traveling to different places. If you guys want to see these vlogs, just make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button as well, and that notification. So make sure, please guys, don't forget, if you want to see more content, please hit that subscribe button. My little designated driver.
Hey, that senorita, I know you wanna go down. Nice to meet you. I feel it coming, slow down. Let's chase it, baby. Take my time and drive you crazy. That's how I
literally just got here and look at the line. Oh my god. Okay guys, so we decided not to go on that one because the line was extremely long.
Oh my god.
We left the car. We left the car and the line just got longer and longer. So we decided we're gonna go somewhere else. We're probably gonna come back later for the cuts and slices, but the line was just crazy. I love that for, because it's a black owned business. I love that for them. I do, I really do. You guys, look at Cat's Catison.
He just didn't go. He just didn't go because
oh
he's
my
not gonna
god, look at the line, guys. Look at the line. This is crazy.
Every time we talk, I gotta walk away.
So we are here at OK Dogs. How you feeling?
I'm so excited. I love corn dogs.
I know.
South Korean.
Hey, you never hit me no matter what I say. Have you ever heard of give and take?
We finally arrived at OK Dog. There usually is a line, but when we got there today, there was no line. So when we got inside, we had an option to choose between the egg toast or the corn dog. We usually get the corn dog. The egg toast have a sauce that's on top that's very sweet, which is the white sauce that you saw. For the egg toast, you have an option between teriyaki, bacon and cheese, ham and cheese, and avocado. We have more options for the corn dog, which you got 7, number 7, number 10, and number 11. The corn dog, you can go to the condiment station and get any sauce you want. Usually there's always a line over here, but I don't see any line, so I guess it's kind of slow, so that's good. Because I didn't want to stand no lines today. We have a little thrift shop going on over here. Some really nice clothes, but I think we just gotta find them. Yeah, they just gotta find them. I think it's already here or whatever. And then they have little side where we get to choose. Side, ketchup, hot sauce, mayonnaise, whatever it is, cheese sauce. Okay. Whatever it is. Oh god. Okay, so the corn dogs are here. First we have the sweet potato corn dog. If you want to give it a try. Then we have the potato one. This one is half. So half mozzarella and half hot dog. So this I'm gonna try. I'm gonna give it a try with the ketchup. So I'm gonna try it first with ketchup. Then she's gonna try with the sweet chili, I believe that one is. No, this one's hot sauce. Oh, hot sauce. I like the taste of the hot sauce. With the garlic. How does the corn dog taste? It is so good. Oh my god, it tastes so good. The inside is so soft and tender. The outside is so crunchy. Then she's gonna try the sweet potato. So this is a sweet potato dog. And you're selfish! She's gonna try it with the sweet chili. It's a little chaotic, guys, I'm sorry. Ooh. How does that one taste? Oh my god, this is so good. I love sweet potatoes. They're so cheesy and crunchy. Alright, let's try the next one, which is the half mozzarella and half hot dog. You guys have to come here. It's OK Dog in the city. What's the address? It's a Stanton Street. It's 157 8 Ludlow Street. 8 Ludlow Street. Ooh, look at the cheese pull on that one. I told him I want different hot dogs. So good. As you can see, the hot dog is inside of this one. Look at the cheese ball. No, this one's my favorite. Which one's your favorite? This one? Which one's your favorite? My favorite is this one. The potato mozzarella. Sweet potato is my favorite. So you have options to get mustard, hot sauce, ketchup, garlic, aioli, right? And sweet chili. Especially like the coating that you're gonna do. No dog was hurt in the making of this video.
Hey, that senorita, I know you wanna go down. Nice to meet you. I feel it coming, slow down. Let's chase it, baby. Take my time and drive you crazy. That's how I like it, baby. Can we slow down? Slow down. Take it easy. Slow down. Slow down. Take it easy. Bounce with it, baby. The feeling's bringing me back. Baby, I like how you act. Ounces be lady, she crazy, she go on tight. Ooh, I like when you do that. Rolling and wrestling, baby, you know I don't tap. Pinning that ass to the mat. Black Beautiful, powerful girl, it's a fact. You took the lead, now it's time to react. Ride with me, slide with me. Girl, it's cold, come inside with me. When you do that thing, I'm high, baby.
Okay, so I got the peanut butter vegan peanut butter ice cream.
Brownie.
Yeah, vegan peanut butter fudge brownie.
Bits. Yay. Welcome, babe.
Damn, he almost. I love vegan ice cream.
Oh, he's still moving.
You can't even tell it's vegan. It's just tastes like regular ice cream.
He was.
All right, guys. So our third stop is Prince Street Pizza. We're actually there, but there's a line. So we're gonna wait, get some pizza, and we're gonna show you their most famous pizza is the Spicy Spring. Guys, there's literally a long line. Look at this. You guys, look at this. You guys.
Try to be honest, I'm not good at letting down my guard, but I really want it. Before you, I was falling in the dark. When you said this was goodbye, that's when I realized I can't live without you. So I'll keep waiting for you. It's the only thing that I can do to keep my composure. Oh, I need you closer, I want you and only you. I got nothing left to lose. So I'll keep waiting for you. It's the only thing that I can do to keep my composure. Oh, I need you closer, I want you and only you.
Everything looks so good. You guys, this pizza right here is called Chicken Dream. It was so good. It was the best pizza in there. Hello. Guys, honestly, the customer service was really great. We had no line, and the food took about 10 minutes. Just had to throw it in the oven, and it was very good. The box, I think, is different. It's very colorful, and every single pizza up there had a different flavor, different taste, which made the pizza different. Alright guys, so I didn't get to film us actually tasting the pizza because my camera died, but it was a very delicious pizza. And thank you guys for watching. Subscribe.